Starting tomorrow, Cebu City and 5 other areas in Cebu will remain under general community quarantine. Cebu City, which used to be the epicenter of the coronavirus, will continue to implement strict health protocols. More on this from Nico Sereno of GMA Regional TV Balitang Bisdak. Live. Nico?
Yes, Caitlin, Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque announced this morning that Cebu will remain on GCQ until the end of the month, which is what city officials wanted. According to Councilor Joel Garganera, IATF Deputy Chief Implementer for Cebu City, the number of COVID-19 cases is steadily going down. But despite this, the city is not lowering its guard.
Ang stand gid sa mayor together with the police, si General Ferro, if our data situation will warrant for a downgrade, we would still insist that the way we run things should be GCQ.
Garganera stressed the need for the Cebu City residents to cooperate with authorities to prevent the number of COVID-19 from rising again.
Ang business group, they are now insisting we should do it gradually, no? Kingalan hinahinayo nato because they are also trying to make it safe for them.
Starting tomorrow, quarantine violators will face more stringent penalties. A fine of 1,500, 3,500 and 5,000 will be imposed on first-time, second-time and third-time offenders respectively, on top of the 30-day imprisonment. By providing a penalty, the city hopes to discipline its residents.
Pagdili sa mga tao nga mogawas nga way quarantine pass, way face mask, dili mo observe og social distancing. Ang posible ini dakpo na gid sila o niya mapasakaan og kaso sa kalapasan sa City Ordinance number 2556.
In Mandaue City, which is also on extended GCQ, single-use surgical masks are seen littered along the streets. This prompted the LGU through the Mandaue City Council to call for the responsible disposal of used face masks. Councilor Joel Seno, author of the resolution, pointed out why this is important.
And there are a lot of instances nga makakita ka na ang kaning face masks nagipanglabay lang maski asa. That is one source of infection.
In Talisay City, which will also remain on GCQ, efforts to reconcile the COVID-19 data of the LGU and that of the DOH Regional Office have started. Mayor Samsam Gulyas requested this after disparities in figures were noted where COVID-19 patients who tested positive after a second swab test was counted as a new case.
Kung Talisay, ang South District doctors moingon sa damo. So maybe it's just discrepancies in numbers, but at the end of the day, hopefully mahusay na nakaroon.
In Lapu-Lapu City, also on GCQ until the end of the month, the City Prosecutor's office will resume operations on Monday after the office was placed on lockdown for 14 days. This after 3 office staff tested positive for COVID-19. As part of the health protocols, only 50% of the staff will report back to work while the rest will work from home. In Cebu Province, the We Trace app, a mobile phone application, is now being used by residents of the province and those working in the cities. The work pass via this mobile app will serve as passes in provincial borders.
It was clear no the governor's pronouncement. Now with no We Trace app, no entry into the province.
The LGUs where the workers reside are in charge of the approval or denial of the online work passes. Other than the cities of Cebu, Talisay, Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue, the other areas that will remain on GCQ are the municipalities of Minglanilla and Consolacion. Caitlin?
Thank you, Nico Sereno of GMA Regional TV Balitang Bisdak.